Now, basically, this is the exact same as your other one, but I've introduced a truck as a bit of an obstacle. All right, but we have nothing over here. All right, we have a smaller space, so you got to try to remember what setup do you want. Again, let's say we turn early, so we can turn off over here. We have plenty of room, by the way. This is actually very generous space that I have given you. All right, so there we go. We can stop right there. Let's do one rotation to the right. And the handy thing about parking next to a truck when your truck will be on your sight side is that you can see them the entire time. So now I'll just do a pull forward to the right, all the way, and stop. Okay, let's chase it all the way. We don't have anything on our right side, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so the next one will be a fun one, but there's a reason why I do put them.